Chongqing Chuk Intelligent Machine and Equipment Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise specializing in intelligent automation, integrating design, R&D, and manufacturing. Located at No. 622 Zhongnan High-Tech Smart Tech Port, Zima Science City, Baibai District, Chongqing, China. The company builds upon over 20 years of production, manufacturing, and export experience from its parent company, Chongqing Zixu Machinery Works, fully inheriting its technical expertise and market resources in the field of marking equipment. With a 3,800 square meter modern production base, equipped with specialized processing and assembly machinery, the company has established a comprehensive manufacturing system spanning core component production to complete machine testing. This enables large-scale production of multiple product series, including laser marking machines, pneumatic marking machines, electric marking machines, laser welding machines, and laser cutting machines, laser cleaning machines, maintaining an annual output volume among the industry's top ranks. With an in-house R&D team and modern smart automation, our products integrate seamlessly with production management systems, ERP or MES systems. This enables automated marking, welding, cleaning, and cutting. We provide one-stop support services from component machining to intelligent automated assembly lines. Our products hold CE and ISO 9001 certifications and are exported to over 200 countries across Europe, America, Southeast Asia, and beyond. They find extensive applications in aerospace, electronic components, hardware machinery, automotive and motorcycle parts, medical pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, and other industries, reaching markets in North America, Europe, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia. We welcome inquiries from new and returning customers worldwide for business collaboration.